Hey everyone, if you have been using the Deepseek app and wondering on how to change theme on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change theme in the Deepseek app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto two lines at the top left corner, just right here. Just like this. Then here you can find your profile, just right here. Now tap on it. Then scroll down and here you can find the color scheme option just right here under the app section. Now select it. And to change it, simply tap onto dark or light, just like this. And now you can see the theme has been changed. And that's it. This is how you can change theme in the Deepseek app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.